Established in 1927 by Sri Anandilal Podar, the Podar Education Network has from the very beginning been focus-driven and motivated by traditional Indian values of honesty, integrity and service. The father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi ji, being the very first president of the Anandilal Podar Trust, stands testimony to this fact. Our scholastic record, innovative learning methods and strong commitment to delivering quality through integrity has helped us scale heights that very few have managed in the field of education. With over 92 years of experience within the educational space, the Podar Group is now a network of 124 educational institutions spread across the nation. It has a combined student strength of more than 1,55,000 and the support of 7,600 plus dedicated and loyal staff members. The constantly growing network of the Podar education institutions includes a wide spectrum of pre-primary schools under the brand name of Podar Jumbo Kids, primary and secondary schools under the brand name of Podar International School, Podar junior colleges, part-time courses, and even teacher training institutes, to name a few. As a result, Podar today is a trusted name and an acknowledged leader in the collective effort to shape the future of our children and our nation. We, the Podar Jumbo Kids family, have constantly strived to give our learners the best when it comes to an integrated, holistic and empowering learning experience. Today, it is a rare time currently for all of us, globally. All the meaningful life values that we adopted are visible up close and front. Be they adaptability, flexibility, empathy, resilience, gratitude, or even the raw power of vulnerability. But with every crisis comes deep challenges and opportunities for transformation. Past educational crises have proven that it is possible to build back and build back better. We too at Podar Jumbo Kids believe that we are currently in a huge learning curve where a new hybrid model of education is bound to emerge soon. And we intend to balance and preserve the time-tested teaching practices along with integrating and incorporating new relevant learning ideas. To learn academically, children need to feel socially and emotionally supported. They need to feel safe, to be engaged, to have great and good relationships with teachers and other adults. And that is exactly what our new Jumbo's EYFS Play Engine, a home school play and learning connection program, advocates. The idea of recreating schools at home poses a golden opportunity to engage kids in authentic, self-directed learning. We at Podar Jumbo Kids have compiled useful resources to help our parents navigate this transition by introducing a 3-tier association, which will include teacher-child interaction, parent-child interaction, and child-independent activities. And this is how it will all unfold. As we transition into newer learning environments, we will work towards mitigating the negative effects of social distancing by helping our little ones to feel connected during this difficult time of physical isolation. The teacher-student, parent-child and peer relationships and interactions will all be at the center of our learning. Encouraging interactions by providing access for them to speak with their teachers over live chats every few days and providing parents tools to foster better learning at home will remain our main aim. The Summer Fun at Home program clearly displayed that the young ones were happy to see their teachers through their screens and were excited to share what they've been doing at home. This kind of two-way communication will allow our teachers to check on the developmental progress of our preschoolers and also aid parents communicate with the teachers effectively. Our learning goal is not to make sure that our students stay exactly on target. Neither is it for them to scramble and catch up as if they left behind. But it is to give them routines, making sure that there's variety in the day. Cooking, reading, playing games, socializing in safe social distancing ways. And most importantly, providing comforting continuity. Children need structure, and we at Podar Jumbo Kids believe that schedules alone achieve this. We may face a little resistance at first, but the tiny learners will thrive with order, and so will you parents, and that's exactly how we will aid. We will create order in their lives, especially now when there is minimal. Each day is different in terms of how children are feeling, both emotionally, physically. So learning experiences must be flexible to account for that. Students should be able to access material at different times and paces and in different ways. And most importantly, the material should be adapted according to what they're interested in, what they need, how they feel. Our unique program offers them the opportunity to follow their own interests and learn in ways that are not time or topic bound. Parents have the liberty to download the documents with the links and thereafter click on the links to access the videos and resources as per their convenience and their time schedule. Children are often motivated to do chores if you involve them in the process. Doing chores develops problem-solving skills, gross and fine motor skills, and introduces them to work ethics. Our program intends to make chores fun for the little ones and encourages parents to participate along. Remember, authentic learning takes place within real-world, meaningful contexts. As long as they're moving, creating, or playing, they're learning. Let curiosity and fun be your guides. For young kids, play is scientific discovery. Playing with toys, squeezing a sponge, or spinning in circles. All of this teaches them basic science lessons. We intend to involve them in free play activities with open-ended toys like books or scarves, blankets, or even cardboard boxes, whatever is available in your home setting. Watch out for our do-it-yourself and do-it-with-mum and dad science experiments. Watch out for our links for fun, creative activities using your household objects alone. Our learning program will be encouraging the practice of counting or age-appropriate math facts with real-life objects like buttons, coins, whatever is available. Cooking is yet another great way to teach real-world math. Believe us when we say that internalizing what 1.5 cups of flour looks like lays the foundation for learning fractions. Visual arts enhance brain function and well-being. And of course, music improves memory and verbal intelligence. All the arts promote motor skill development, creativity, and problem solving. Our home-based learning skills program will be encouraging the young learners to become future painters and sculptors with homemade materials that don't even need to be complex. Basics like glue sticks, paper, scissors, and cardboard boxes will be more than enough. Music is another key area for exploring the arts at home. Whether turning an ordinary household object into a musical instrument or converting them into expert storytellers and actors with the aid of voice modulation, we look forward to more such innovations where they will explore the dramatic arts by using homemade puppets and play. Blended learning as a concept is new, no doubt about it. But it's an opportunity for us at Podar Jumbo Kids to engage with families in ways that we may never have had the opportunity to do before. We strongly believe that our young students must always be touching, feeling, doing, and exploring concepts for themselves. And they cannot do this at home without intentional facilitation and support. Thus, we realize that we need to shift our mindset from teaching not only our students, but also to empower you, the parents. Confidence, skills, and knowledge facilitate open-ended learning at home, and we're there for you. This support will help our tiny ones gain robust learning, even when they're not temporarily in our classrooms. We understand that teachers are trained how to intentionally facilitate and support young children's development. We realize you parents are not similarly equipped, and it can be difficult to understand how to frame or facilitate a learning activity effectively without concrete examples. That's where Podar Jumbo Kids comes to your aid. We provide you demo videos made specially by our teachers, which will serve to be the most effective way to demonstrate hands-on learning. When students learn something new, or they feel challenged, or when slightly older students of kindergarten are guided through new content, and they're asked to engage in higher order thinking, like evaluating the content or synthesizing ideas, Our teachers will aid by modeling intrapersonal development by evaluating their answers in an open forum discussion. Remember, it is these responses of our students that will act as fodder for scaffolding during future teacher-students live interaction sessions. Another strategy we intend to adopt is the virtual parent-teacher meeting. This will provide an opportunity to us to empower the families and to also listen to their ideas. Similar to the earlier class meetings that we conducted, we intend to now host virtual meetings with our parents. This will center on the social, emotional and mental health of our students and their families. After all, at Podar Jumbo Kids, we believe that both teaching and learning are rooted deeply in relationships. In the end, the lessons of this moment are totally and completely up to us. It'll be easy to slip back into old practices. But remember, we have a once-in-a-lifetime chance to course correct, to take what we have experienced and learned and create a vision for education, a vision that is more inclusive, more responsive and more purposeful than it has ever been before. Previous metrics of success no longer apply. We at Podar Jumbo Kids believe that the measure to success lies only in two factors: participation and smiling while you're participating. We at Podar Jumbo Kids are proud to be pioneering and leading the way ahead in revolutionizing and integrating the blended learning concept through Jumbo's EYFS Play Engine, a homeschool play and learning connection program. This program will be initiated at all the early childhood centers in India under the guidance of Dr. Swati Popat Vats, President Podar Education Network, President Early Childhood Association India and Association for Primary Education and Research. So come join hands with us at Podar Jumbo Kids, where learning comes full circle. We assure you, there's no reason at all that the learning should ever stop.